Tired of putting off that Walmart shopping spree? Well, Affirm can turn your maybe someday into absolutely today by letting you split your Walmart purchases into easy monthly payments. Let's dive in. First things first, head over to Walmart.com and find those must-have items you've been eyeing and add them to your cart. Once you're happy with your haul, click on your shopping cart to review your items. Now, at the checkout page, you'll see a list of payment options. Look for Affirm and select it. Don't see it. Affirm eligibility depends on factors like your credit and the purchase amount, so it might not always be available. Clicking Affirm will take you to a quick application process. You'll need to enter some personal info and Affirm will perform a soft credit check, which won't affect your credit score. Once approved, you'll see your payment plan options, including the interest rate and monthly payment amount. Choose the plan that works best for your budget. Review your chosen plan one last time and confirm your purchase, and that's it. You've successfully used Affirm at Walmart online. Enjoy your new goodies and the flexibility of manageable monthly payments.